This video I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo card PIN not working. So if your PIN is not working on your Venmo card, what you can do is you can head over to this help article from Venmo and you just need to actually put your PIN to obtain cash. If you have forgotten your PIN or if it's actually not working, you can head over and then reset it. So to do it, head over to your Venmo app, then go to the cards tab, select your Venmo debit card from there, and then from in there select the change pin option. Doing that will actually prompt you to enter your new pin that you can use and then select next once you have entered it and then confirm your new pin once you have inputted it. Once you have done that, you should be able to input or use your new pin and it should work properly for now. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out with everything you need about Venmo. So much for watching.